Google Chrome is fast, but knowing the right shortcuts can make your browsing experience even quicker and more efficient. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or remote worker, these Chrome shortcuts in 2025 will save you time and keep you focused. First, mastering tab management shortcuts is a must. Press Ctrl+T to open a new tab, Ctrl+W to close a tab, and Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen a tab you accidentally closed. To quickly switch between tabs, use Ctrl+Tab to move forward and Ctrl+Shift+Tab to move backward. These simple shortcuts save seconds every time, and those seconds add up fast. Next, use navigation shortcuts. Press Alt plus left arrow to go back to the previous page, or Alt plus right arrow to move forward. You can jump directly to the address bar with Ctrl+L, or search within a page using Ctrl+F. This keeps you moving through websites without constantly reaching for your mouse. For productivity, window and tab organization shortcuts are game changers. Press Ctrl+N to open a new window, Ctrl+Shift+N for an incognito window, and Ctrl+1 to jump to a specific tab number. If you want to see all your open tabs in a list, Ctrl+Shift+A opens Chrome's tab search. Don't forget text and form shortcuts. Highlight text with Shift+arrow keys, copy with Ctrl+C, paste with Ctrl+V, and undo typing with Ctrl+Z. When filling out forms online, these shortcuts can save minutes every day. Finally, for power users, bookmark and extension shortcuts can speed up access to your most used tools. Press Ctrl+D to bookmark a page, or use Alt+Shift+B to show or hide the bookmarks bar. By using these shortcuts, you can navigate Chrome faster, keep your workflow organized, and spend less time fumbling with tabs and menus. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more productivity hacks in 2025.